I have blue teeth because I just drank methylene blue. Anyway, good morning. It is Thursday. Y'all know what that means. It's my day off. I actually got to take my car to Hyundai to have the oil changed and the tires rotated. So that's gonna be our first stop. That's at 9 o'clock. Then we're running our errands after that. And we'll see what happens after that. See if I go somewhere new. Hopefully. Alright guys, first stop is the Dollar Tree for Mama. I don't think I have anything to get here. I'll look anyway though. But, oh, it's over here. Here we are. In the Dollar Tree. Trying to find something I don't need. Last time I already got here last time I came here I got some energy drinks. They're not very good at all. Ugh. It's Walmart time. It's starting to get warmer, but I still want to leave my jacket on. In here it's gonna be cool-ish. I'm gonna get run over. And of course, I love all the Easter stuff. Easter is just a pretty holiday. It's just, the colors are so pretty. That's cute. It's just the colors are so bright and pretty, and these ones cute. Doral. Delzy? Who the heck comes up with these names? Where are those ears at? Next stop is dressing. I saw this dressing this one lady uses a lot. It looks good, so we're gonna try it. I hope they have it. Looking in the wrong spot. So apparently it's up here by produce. Let's see if we can find it. Here it is. Ah, yes. That's it. Yep, we're trying it. This looks good. We's done. I never found those cute bunny ears. This is true. Walmart bags are free, except for the blue ones. We's done. I got me a new broom. I got me a candy. Broken. Oh, I got that sprinkly candy stuff. Reese's Sprinkles. Whatever it is. Yeah, springy one here. Guys, like usual, you gotta see my salad. Every Thursday, you guys get to see me eat my delicioso salad. Hey, where's that? Oh, there it is. My delicioso salad. Oh, bang. Hang on. Salad, fork. So good. Delicioso. I don't think about going to Whole Foods that early. Not everything was out. You know?
Oh no, you're talking to me?
Yes.
Yeah. I know. I remember that.
Alright guys, so we have a new microwave. Well, it's gonna go there. That's the old one. So here's before, and you're gonna see after I get the new one in. Look at it.
You do a lot better job on cleaning
Yeah.
that than the other one.
Computer, pause. Computer. Computer. Pause. Goodness. Listen to me. Ooh, beeped at me.
Let's see, first need to read the clock.
Nice. There it is. Isn't it beautiful? Except for when I peeled the child safety sticker. This thing is like super sticky.
I wonder if you want to pull it off.
Ending my day off by shopping at Target. Because they have some stuff at different Targets that other Targets don't have. So I'm here to get the stuff I want. That's cheaper. I was going to have something different, but I couldn't help it. It's so good.